is soft and slow. You hand me coffee and your smile, that's all I need to know. The way you stir the sugar in, like dancing in the air. You turn a simple moment to a memory we share. Every sip feels warmer when you're sitting next to me. You're the gentle start to every day I wanna keep. You're my coffee in the morning, my heartbeat when it's cold. Every drop of love you're pouring feels like stories yet untold. Hold me close and let's stay here, where the world is soft and clear. You're my coffee, living in my heart all year. We talk about the little things, you laugh and touch my hand. Somehow the day feels brighter when it's you who understands. Even on the hardest days, you melt the bitter parts. You're the sweetness I keep holding in my heart. Every sip feels warmer when you're sitting next to me. You're the gentle start to every day I wanna keep. You're my coffee in the morning, my heartbeat when it's cold. Every drop of love you're pouring feels like stories yet untold. Hold me close and let's stay here, where the world is soft and clear. You're my coffee, living in my heart all year. Let the world keep spinning fast, I just want this moment to last. Your love's the flavor I've been dreaming of. You're my brew, my cup, my everyday love. You're my coffee in the morning, my heartbeat when it's cold. Every drop of love you're pouring feels like stories yet untold. Stay with me, don't disappear. You're the warmth I want right here. You're my coffee, living in my heart all year.
Raindrops falling on the rooftop, drawing silver lines. You pull me closer in your sweater, like the world rewinds. Your fingers trace along my hand, gentle as the breeze. And suddenly the storm outside feels soft enough to breathe. Every heartbeat echoes in the rhythm of the rain. Every look you give me says you feel the same. We're kissing in the rain, darling, laughing like we're 17. Your lips taste like a sweet morning, soft as everything between. Hold me tighter, don't let go, let the world fade out again. 'Cause love is only you and me, kissing in the rain. Puddles shining like a mirror, showing us into. I see a future in reflection, standing next to you. Your freckles light the gray sky up, brighter than the sun. And somehow being soaked with you is better than the warmest one. Every heartbeat echoes in the rhythm of the rain. Every look you give me says you feel the same. We're kissing in the rain, darling, laughing like we're 17. Your lips taste like a sweet morning, soft as everything between. Hold me tighter, don't night pour down, we'll make a little shelter right here on the ground. If forever had a sound, it's your voice whispering my name. If forever had a feeling, it's your kiss in the rain. We're kissing in the rain, darling, laughing like we're 17. Your love turns every gray moment into something sweet and clean. Stay beside me, let it pour. I'd do it all 1,000 times again. 'Cause in love is only you and me, kissing in the rain.